What's up, guys? Crypto coming at you with another video. Today we're going to look at the Kaspa charts, the Bitcoin charts, and we're going to see why the markets are in the red. So let's dive in. All right, guys. So what do we have? Right now we are looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart. All right, we're going to try to see why Bitcoin is in the red right now. All right, so first of all, you can see we're still in this triangle pattern. Well, actually, we're not in the triangle pattern. We've broken out of it, right? And we've come down for a retest. Usually after a breakout, there's always a retest, right? I always say wait for the retest, okay? So you see this resistance is right above where we're retesting at, all right? So there's a likely chance that we can come down from here, going back into this triangle pattern, but we're obviously on the verge of a serious breakout rather than a shakeout, because that's definitely what this is right now. Anyone who is freaking out is because they don't know what's happening in the markets. Granted, nobody knows where the coin is gonna go, but we react based off of where the coin goes. All right, and we have all of the tools to make money and minimize risk. All right. Anyway, with that being said, we're hitting this resistance right here, right after this, and it's causing us to have a, right after this breakout, we're hitting this resistance and it's causing us to have a retest. So, you see we got the VPVR right here. We still got a lot of volume. All right, so it's hard to say whether or not it's gonna break down, but we're obviously going down. All right, so let's see, let's go to the Bitcoin chart. All right. And guys, if we go down, that's still good news, because we have all of this support down here at the 57% for the Bitcoin dominance. And when Bitcoin tends to go down, altcoins tend to go up or sideways. All right. But right now we're looking at the markets. You can see that all of the coins are going down. All right. So right now you want to be dollar cost averaging in regardless. Why? Because as position traders, we've joined into, or we're collecting assets that have long-term value. And as we know, Bitcoin has long-term value, right? As well as Kaspa, because it's the first of its kind to block that. All right, so if we come to the Bitcoin chart, even here on the daily chart, you can see that we're coming down for a retest. It's looking like we'll come down to the $98,000 level. All right. Well, we got a lot of support here on the VPVR. All right, and let's see. Yeah, we got a lot of support on the VPVR. Go to the MACD. For some reason that MACD doesn't want to show. Guys, I'm thinking, hold on just a moment. All right, here we go. All right, if we go back to the Bitcoin chart, back to the daily. Our triangle pattern has disappeared, so let's go ahead and find that again. All right, let's get our trend lines going. Yeah, my chart started acting up a bit. All right, so There's a price target of $150,000, like I thought. Alright, if we pull up our Fibonacci retracement tool, oh, it's not Fibonacci retracement. Our Fibonacci retracement tool. Go to the bottom, to the top of the, from the top to the bottom of the trend. Alright, so let's go back and look at this real quick. Alright, here we are. So, I'm coming down for a retest, and it's looking like we're going to retest the $98,000 level. We pull up our MACD, it's looking like we might be getting a bearish cross soon, or we're turning down at least to the lower side, which is confirming that we're about to start moving down, all right, for a retest. All right, so that's definitely what you want to look at, all right. So if I were to be if I were to make a move right now, I would not be going long necessarily. You can put in conditional orders to go long, all right, but it's definitely likely that we're going to test this $98,000 level before we start breaking up to the $109,000 level. All right, and remember, we got a price target of $148,000, $146,000 to $150,000 for Bitcoin. All right. All right, let's take a look at Kaspa. All right, if we go to this Kaspa chart, you see we still got our triangle pattern over here on the 4-hour time frame. All right, Kaspa, like we said before, the Bitcoin dominance, you see, is moving down. All right, so altcoins could be going sideways, or they'll be going up. And as it's looking like Kaspa is coming down to a, it looks like Kaspa is about to be bottoming out and possibly moving back up soon. All right, if we pull up the moving average, all right, we've got a bearish cross for Kaspa on the MACD. So it's likely we're going to come down a little bit further, probably to the 12-cent level. All right, we're at the 12-cent level now, so we're looking at the 12.4-cent level for Kaspa. All right, check out some support levels and resistance levels, guys. We still got a lot of support at the 12 cent. We got a lot of support at the 10 cents. All right, if we go to the daily time frame, yeah, it's likely we could come down to the 10.6 cent level. $10.6 level. Oops. Excuse me. Yeah, guys, we're gonna go on down. We're probably likely to go down for a little bit. If we look at the MACD on the daily time frame, we're about to get a bearish cross for Kaspa as well. All right, so it's looking like right now, Kaspa, even though it is an altcoin because of its unique properties, for example, it's a block DAG, it's the first of its kind. It's a bit uncorrelated from a lot of the other altcoins. All right, because of it was a fair launch when Kaspa was created. Because of its block DAG, its scalability and processing speed, Kaspa is a bit uncorrelated from the other altcoins. So with the Bitcoin dominance going down, Kaspa is going to do what it wants to do. All right, and from what it's showing, it could come down to this 11-cent level, even as far as the 10-cent level, guys. So it's looking like we could break down to the downside after all. All right, but again, the Bitcoin dominance is going down, so this means it's a good time to be buying in the altcoins. All right, not to mention we're getting a lot of inflows into the market. All right, we got 44.2 billion net inflows in 2024. That's how much went into the cryptocurrency market. All right, and that was in Bitcoin-based products, we're leading the way at 38 billion. Okay, we did have a drop in the inflows from 134 billion to 38 billion in the past months. All right, but Bitcoin overall has surged 96% in 2024, and it reached a 3.4 trillion market capitalization by December. All right, so it's obvious that the market's hitting billions of inflows. All right, especially with all of this political interest and government interest. The smart money is buying right now at these discounted prices. All right, so if I were you guys, I would be dollar cost averaging in as Kaspa is going down, as Bitcoin is retesting, because at any moment we can break up. Even if we go down, even if we hit this, let's say for Kaspa, we break past the this 12.0 cent level, right? And the order starts going down in short, you're going to be in profit for a little bit because we're going down. We got a bearish cross on the MACD. All right, it's about to happen. So while that profit is being made in your short, make sure you have a stop loss in, because at any point the market can reverse. All right, no one knows what's going to happen, so make sure you have in your conditional orders and make sure you have your stop loss. All right, so I'm thinking Kaspa is going to go down to about the 10-cent level. All right. And I think it'll reverse at some point. And as far as Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin is going to probably go down a little bit, probably start retesting at the 98, even $96,000 level. And maybe from there we'll get a reversal, unless we get some major people selling. But even still, guys, like I said, we got billions of inflows since 2024 into the markets. All right, so dollar cost average in on the way down, and make sure your assets with good utility value, all right, good eccentric value, and they have good utility. All right, meme coins will do well, but you want to get in meme coins that aren't even exactly meme coins anymore. Like Dogecoin was a meme coin, but it's no longer a meme coin, seen as Elon Musk and Donald Trump are turning it into a legal, legitimized structure, right, in the government. All right, so make sure you're in meme coins that actually mean something. I mean, some people are going to argue that none of these coins have eccentric value. All right, but that's like asking what is real. All right, so you want to get in something that has good use case. All right, and then a small percentage in the gambling tokens. All right, otherwise you might as well have just bought a lottery ticket. All right, because this is bigger than the money. It's about extending our wealth and securing it. All right, anyway, with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's Crypto Command. Peace out.